And that is why I exactly created Avocado Nature, a natural hair care and skincare brand inspired by the power of avocado. Our products are gently cleansed and deeply nourished. The Deep Recovery Hair Mask gives you also an intense hydration without all the hassle. And the Scalp Revive Elixir delivers a concentrated dose of nutrients to restore balance and promote growth. All of our products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and suitable for all hair types. Avocado Nature is more than a brand, it's a movement to reconnect with the wisdom of nature and care for your body with clean, powerful ingredients.